Hello beautiful people, and you're welcome back again to my channel. On this video I am going to be sharing with you how I made this bread rolls, this sausage bread rolls. They are very delicious, trust me, so yum delicious. Okay, you can use it for your breakfast, for your kids, for their snacks, and it's very easy to make. And if you want to know how I achieved this, you would want to continue washing. Okay, so keep washing as I show you how I was able to achieve this your malicious your malicious sausage rolls. Okay, first I have my yeast, I have my sugar, I have my butter, melted butter, okay, and I have my eggs, and I have, of course, my sausages. I'm going to be using 12 sausages. And I have my whole milk, half cup of whole milk. I have my 2 cups of flour. Okay, right now in a clean bowl, I'm just going to add pour the yeast, the sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and the milk, and just mix it together with a fork. Here in the bowl, I have my flour. I'm just going to be adding the remaining 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and I'll just mix together with a spatula or any wooden spatula, or anyone you have. Just use it to mix it together to enable that these ones, the dried ones, are mixed together. Then I'm gonna pour in the wet ingredient, which is the yeast. Right now it has been activated. I'm just gonna pour it in and together, and pour the other ingredients as well. I'm just gonna pour in as well the melted butter and the egg. Okay, every of the ingredients, I'm going to be placing them in the description section below. The quantity that I used for everything, I'm going to place them there. So if you want to know the exact amount I used for this, for this sausage rolls, these bread rolls, just go on the description section and you'll get all the ingredients and the exact quantity I used for it. And please, if this is the first time of passing through my channel, please don't forget to like this video if you know you are enjoying it. Please, and also subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button so you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video or I come live. If you know you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends and family. Okay, let's continue as we go on. So right now I'm just going to on my machine and start mixing. As you can see, this is my first time of using this mixer and I am so excited about it. It's gonna do the mixing for me, do the job for me. And my dough is ready. Right now I'm just gonna sprinkle a little flour on the surface and bring out my dough and just use my hand to mold it together. The reason is because I want to place it inside the bowl for it to rest for 1 hour. Meanwhile, inside the bowl, I'm going to be rubbing a little butter inside before I place my dough inside. And I'm also going to be rubbing the dough with a little butter. The reason is because I wouldn't want it to stick when I want to remove it later for the next step. Okay, all right. As you can know, if you know you've been following me, I have been baking bread, and I tend baking much more. So if you know you love baking like me, so please, I'm inviting you to just click on the notification button so that you will be notified whenever I upload any new video. Okay, so everything is ready right now. My dough is ready, so I'm just going to transfer it into the bowl and just cover it up, and after which I'll allow it to rest for 1 full in a room temperature in a warm place. Now my dough is ready, it's soft. It has risen. I've just pressed out. I just finished pressing out the excess gas, the excess hair inside the dough. Okay, now I am going to divide it into 12 almost equal parts. Yeah, I tried to make it equal, but don't stay there trying to make it perfectly equal. All right, the most important thing is they are almost equal. Okay, I'm dividing it into 12 because I have 12 sausages. So I'm just going to divide it into 12 part, then I will start the procedure of this sausage ball rolls, bread rolls, anyhow you want to call it. Okay, I'm going to be making I'm going to be showing you two different ways how I make this rolls. Okay, whichever one you prefer, it's good. The most important thing is it comes out you're malicious. Okay, this one is just to make it look beautiful, either the weaving part or just the rolling one. So I'm just going to be showing you right away how I achieved that. And I was so excited making this video because this is actually my first time of using my mixer. While making this video, this was my first time of using my mixer to really bake. I've been baking with my hands all this while, and I was really very happy about it that I didn't have to do anything with my hands that much. Okay, so this is the first one I'm going to be showing you. This is it, and it's like weaving. Okay, you'll see it right away. I'm just going to roll it out, place the sausage at the middle, and just use a knife to cut the sides of the dough that is already stretched out, and I'm just gonna put it around like that across it. I'm just gonna put it across the sausage like so, like so, like so. If you have not liked this video, please, what are you waiting for? Please thumbs up for this video if you know you are enjoying it, and if you know you haven't, and if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe, because this your like will make me want to bake more. It shows me that you want me to bake more. Okay, if you like the video, that means you want me to bake more, to do other recipes, to share other recipes with you. I have a lot of them that I already do. Okay, if you want me to share them with you, if you like this video, if you like my videos, then it will tell me, yes, Minister Jenny, we want you to show us more other recipes. So this is the second way of doing it. This is just very easy. You just roll it and that's it. Leave a little space on both sides so that when the dough rises again, well, I'm going to leave it to rise again for another 30 minutes, okay, before I put them inside the oven. So that way when it rises, it doesn't cover the entire sausage. Children, when they want to eat that sausage rolls, they need to see the sausages. Okay, so that is it. I'm just going to try it again so that you see how I did this. If maybe you didn't get the first one well. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like it. And I am so glad to make this recipe that I was able to share it with you. After this, I'm just going to place it inside a pan. Meanwhile, my pan, I already used butter to rub it and sprinkled some flour and on top of it, as in on the pan. That way it won't stick. You see, I've already arranged them in it, and like this. Then I'm just gonna rub my eggs on I'm just gonna rub my egg on them. What is it? Okay, I'm just gonna rub it with egg, and that's it. I used one egg for the dough. The other egg is the one I used to rub this. I'm gonna put it in the oven and cook it for 180 degrees. Then that's it for 12 minutes and it's ready. Hope you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Until I come your way next time, stay safe, stay blessed, enjoy this rose, and God bless you. Bye-bye.